Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel at Buhay OFW dito sa Hong Kong. So guys, yan. Ganon guys, ganon. So pagkatapos ko magluto guys, sasabunan ko ito dito guys. And this one especially kung may mga, oily. It's so oily this one guys. And this one guys also I clean yeah, pag nakita ko na may tumutulo or something like that guys, it's so greasy na, so I need to clean. And then this one, the top, hindi mo siya mahihipo na so greasy siya guys, kundi malinis siya guys. And then after that guys, I clean also this one guys, kasi parang fiber siya, hindi siya kahoy, it's not wooden. So, ang pagpunas ko nito guys, I clean this one guys with a wet towel. Yeah. And this one guys, no need to clean the wet towel. Yung basa ba? Kasi ito din siya guys. So, kasi pag once na inaanuhan mo ng wet towel ito guys, ang wooden, it's more siya guys na magpipeel off. Yeah, lalambot siya guys. Make it soft. Yan. Ano lang yan siya. Dry. Ganyanin ko lang ng dry. Yes. Yeah. At saka ito guys, and this one, yung paglulutuan ng natin, toast ng bread. Kailangan natin guys, linisan din yan siya guys, everyday. Kasi there are something crumbs inside. At you don't know, sometimes, the cockroach or something like that. Kasi here in Hong Kong guys, yung mga cockroach, kahit mataas yung building mo, there are some cockroach talaga na naano sa bahay mo, nakatira. So yeah, need also clean everyday. Tanggalin natin yung mga siya guys, yung we take it out the yung crumbs. I need to clean. So, hindi siya ma-sticky kasi chinecheck ko talaga yan siya guys. And, guys, all of this, wala talaga yung mga clean. Yan. Kasi we cannot avoid talaga guys na siya. Yung mga dyan, yung mga spices namin guys. So, you need to clean everyday guys. Or something na makikita mo na nahahawakan mo, there are something stick. Yeah. And also our refrigerator guys, need to clean also. Pinilinisan ko ito. So, yung laman inside, you need also to clean. Sometimes, meron tayong naiiwan or sometimes, yung mga expired din guys, and then sometimes you don't know, leaking something there inside the fridge. So, you just make it stick there inside. So, that one guys. And also that one guys, may exhaust fan. Yeah. Tingnan nyo guys, super clean. Yeah, kasi nililinisan ko talaga yan. At makita ko na hindi na guys. So, need to clean. Thank you for watching guys. That is my kwento for today's guys. So, see you for the next one, and God bless us all. Bye! Subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!